Welcome to today's video where we'll be diving into the world of yoni care, busting common myths. Yoni care is important, but there are many myths surrounding it. Let's debunk them and learn how to care for our intimate areas gently and naturally. Many commercial soaps contain harsh chemicals and fragrances that can disrupt the natural pH balance of your intimate area, leading to irritation, discomfort, and even infections. Instead, choose yoni care products made with natural, gentle ingredients. Look for labels that prioritize your health and well-being. Another myth is that any V odor is a sign of infection. However, the reality is, it's normal for your V to have a slight odor, which can vary depending on factors like your menstrual cycle, diet, and hygiene practices. But if the odor is strong, fishy, or accompanied by other symptoms like itching or discharge, it may indicate an infection and should be checked by a healthcare professional. Remember, it's essential to separate fact from fiction when it comes to yoni care. Choose gentle cleansing products from Fivona and trust your body's natural processes.